Welcome back to the Confidential Containers demo series by Enclaive.io. And in this video, I'll be walking you through C# SGX. We'll be demoing attempting to modify shared protected volumes and files. In this demo, a C# app reads Shakespeare text from a file hello.txt. We'll try to modify the content and show that in the confidential container, the file replacement files. The reason for this is that the file volume is protected and verifies the file integrity. We already created a Docker Compose. And the C# app. Feel free to pause or rewind the video if you need to. We'll start the containers now. In the right-hand terminal, we'll run docker compose up cs for C#. In the left-hand terminal, we'll run docker compose cs SGX for C# SGX. Let's modify the hello text. So here we've replaced the hello text in CS, so you can see that the modification worked. Now we'll modify the file in the CS SGX container. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and hit that bell notification for future updates. Highlighted is the modification filed in SGX. You can see that the hello text is denied because the file is authenticated and integrity protected. All done. Learn more by visiting our website, enclaive.io. See you in the next one.